Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this quick and easy scrunchie. For doing this scrunchie, I have used fishnet design, and in order to make it more prettier, I have given a shell stitch bordering around it. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to make this scrunchie are, I am using these two 3-ply cotton yarns. Light green would be my main color, and for providing the shell stitch edging, I'll be using this cream colored yarn, 2.5 mm crochet hook, any good quality elastic band, a stitch marker and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with the scrunchie, I am using this light green colored yarn. Make a slip knot. Now take this band and going underneath, pull up this yarn and work one chain. Now going around this elastic band, we'll be working single crochets. So just continue working single crochets all around the band till you reach the start position. So I've done with the first round of single crochets. Now in order to end this round, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet worked. For the second round, work one chain and into the same space work one single crochet. Now work two chains and moving to the next single crochet worked, work one single crochet. Again work two chains and going into the next stitch work one single crochet. So this is the sequence for this round, to work two chains and moving to the next stitch work one single crochet. Now into the first chain two space that we have worked, put the stitch marker and just continue with the sequence till you reach the marker. After working the two chains, I worked one single crochet on top of the last single crochet worked in the previous round. And in order to end this round, we won't be working any slip stitches. So we need to just continue with this pattern, that is work two chains and into the chain two space where we have put the marker, just remove this marker and work one single crochet. So from round 3 onwards, we'll be working in rounds. I'll put the marker into the chain 2 space and just continue with this pattern. That is, work 2 chains and going to the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet. Work 2 chains, moving to the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet. So for the next 3 rounds, that is round 3, 4 and 5, we will be just working in rounds without working slip stitch and continue with this pattern. So once I am done with my 5th round, I shall get back. So here I have come to the end of the 5th round by working 2 chains and into the chain 2 space, just before the chain 2 space that I have marked, work 1 slip stitch. So that completes our 5th round. Now cut this yarn. Now using this cream color yarn, we will be providing a shell stitch bordering. So insert your hook into one of the chain 2 spaces and pull this yarn. Work 1 chain and into the same space work 6 double crochets. So I've done with the 6 double crochets. Moving to the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet. Now into the next chain 2 space, work a shell of 6 double crochets. And into the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet. So this is the sequence that will be following for the 6th round. So just continue with the sequence till the end of the round. So I have done 1 single crochet into the last chain 2 space, and in order to end the 6th round, I have slip stitched into the first double crochet worked. Also, I have put all the loose yarns on the back side of my scrunchie. So that completes our tutorial. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.